Well, that's nice. Okay. Monitor PC. Oh, do you not work? Okay. Monitor PC here. Alright, here we go. Are these hydro traction? Traction? I wonder if these were Noble as well, but I doubt it. Yeah, the track is different here, so it's probably not. Alright, here we go. Ooh, a very interesting sounding motor. Oh, you got indicators here too. He's definitely modded something else. Very interesting motor sound. It almost sounds like a Gen 2. Oh, whoa. That gives a lot of Westinghouse armor with the two keyholes like that. Here it comes. I like lights up more when I press it. We get a nice view out here. There's a couple more buildings over there, but those aren't even open. AC is running in that one, but that, oh, wait, no, that's the other building I was just in. Name me an idiot. Anyways, here's a cab. It's the same as the Noble. So these all got like new cabs at some point, because these are definitely mods. Very interesting lantern we have here. Ooh. This one doesn't sound too good. Oh, you might be picking somebody up. See, look. Door closed when you push the button. Monitor PC is cool to see in the field. Even for New York standards. There it goes. And that's it. Yeah, those fat indicators. I don't know what these were. Anyways, yeah, that's it.